Welcome to our video series on air-insulated medium voltage switchgears. Medium voltage may sound as a challenging topic to some of you due to the high ratings, the many different applications and the technology behind it. Would you like to know how Siemens masters this challenge and transforms it into safe, reliable and sustainable systems? Hello, my name is Pedro Gomes. I work at Siemens since more than 25 years and I am currently product manager at Siemens Germany. I would like to welcome you today to the world of Siemens air-insulated medium voltage switchgears. In this video series, I invite you to discover the world of Siemens medium voltage air-insulated switchgears with a spotlight on our premier NX Air product line. Join me to learn about the most important aspects of customers' needs. Let me show you how we at Siemens can offer you the best solution for your challenges by providing concrete, real-world examples of applications of our switchgears. Let's discover in the following videos the core technologies and innovations at the heart of our systems, the transformative impact of digitalization and condition monitoring, our steps in sustainability, and how you can get the most out of it. Let me give you a short overview of how Siemens NX Air family can become your best partner on primary medium voltage distribution. From utility projects to industrial applications, NX Air is equipped and ready to meet the diverse needs of modern electric distribution networks. Its standout features include exceptional reliability, safety and efficiency, ensuring successful power distribution under most demanding operating conditions. Furthermore, it fully embraces sustainability, and that not only because we use air as insulating medium. I'll tell you later why. The core of NX Air's success is our uniform platform strategy, which ensures high-quality, efficient products no matter where you are in the world. It's easy to use, maintain, and fits seamlessly into your systems, all that while keeping costs down. We're committed to innovation and sustainability, offering standardized components that are easily upgradable, keeping you at the forefront of power distribution technology. Beyond providing you with the proper equipment, we offer you a legacy of engineering excellence made by Siemens. Get ready to learn how NX Air family products can benefit you. This video series is for free. Sign up and join me in a deep dive to our core technologies and innovations. See you in the following videos.